Alrighty, back with another day in the life of what I do for a living. I'm always eating something before I start filming. Anyway, cleaning my teeth. But anyway, let's get to it. Heading over to, driving up north a little bit today. I'm not too far, like West Palm, like last week with Travis, but going to see my good friend Zane. He just got done, I think, doing some fuel system on his twin turbo Audi R8 V10. So this thing's pretty nuts. I don't know how much horsepower it makes. We shot together about a year ago when he just did the twin turbo setup. Thing was nuts. So he just went, I think he just did some fuel system and he just went from his normal exhaust to a catless exhaust. So this thing might be popping insane amount of fire is what he told me. So got that going on, and then I think he just picked up a Mark IV Supra, just built this whole compound at his place. So we're gonna go meet up with him for a little bit, talk with him, see what he's got, and then we're gonna take out the R8, do some photo, video, probably do some fun things in the R8, get some turbo sounds, do some, you know, some aggressively fast maneuvering things in that car. So on my way there, follow me. Not follow me, but I'll see you guys when I get there. All right, here we are. Here we go. Here we go. You can say whatever you want. I'm gonna blur it all out. Beep, 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 beep. What's up, dude?
What's up, dude?
How are you? How's everything? Last time I saw this car, it didn't even have a bumper on it.
I know, it's just twin turbos and slow.
Okay, before we show everybody what this car is, bring me into your newly constructed man cave.
Well, you see,
I'm gonna crop a lot of this out, so I'll just talk to you now because I can already see the banners on the side, right over there. Alrighty, so this is the man cave.
man cave. You see, when you fight with your wife, girlfriend, significant other, need a place to live, you come in here. You got cars, you got music.
Dude, this is too nuts. Alright, thanks for pausing the music so I don't get copyrighted. Why do I feel like this is gonna be like Viva La Bam, where we're just gonna like do a kickflip off this and then like land on the R8 or something?
You could.
Dude, that is too nuts. Alright, what is this?
It's a car for a customer that's getting buffed out for dripping wet these young squads.
Yes. I forgot you own this company.
Yeah. This is a Supra that we're rebuilding.
So this is your Supra?
My Supra. Redoing everything. Just got the rear end put in. Grandis 9-inch rear end. What's up, Grandis? Sponsor me.
What's up, Grandis? What's up, Grandis? Sponsor me. That's too funny.
This is the dirty work area.
Dude, this thing's nice. Dude, the paint looks great on this. For real. Is it an auto or a 6-speed?
6-speed.
Oh, nice. Hey, you'd be surprised. A lot of people get autos around here.
I know.
Dude, this is like the ultimate man cave, dude.
Built motor over here. We got motorcycles.
This is literally like Viva La Bam type stuff.
Let's do kickflips.
Literally. Like, look, we got the ATV right here.
Yeah, we can do woos.
That's too funny. Dude, who took those pics?
My friend Kyle.
Some guy. Dude, let me go see this. This is too awesome. So Zane and I shot about, well, dude, when was this? This was your 981 GT4.
Yeah, that was
When did we shoot this?
5, 6 years ago.
That's nuts. And you want to know what's nuts? You haven't aged one bit.
I know.
Exactly how you look now is how you looked 5 years ago.
Adrenochrome. Just kidding.
Dude, this stuff is too awesome. Why do I feel like this is gonna break?
Nah.
So what's next?
GT3 RS.
What year? What year GT3 RS? So you want a brand new GT3 RS and put it right here.
Employee discount, Kyle.
Employee discount. Yep. Well, guess what? I think everybody in this video that's watching is all gonna collectively say no.
Dude, come on.
Gotta film this. What's in here?
This is like.
This is where your bodies are? Oh no, never mind. Dude, gym in here?
Parts from Japan.
So this is all going into the Supra.
Like this stuff. Yeah, this corner is all Supra.
Dude.
I basically opened up the Powerhouse Racing magazine and clicked add all.
I could tell just by this right here. Dude, this is nice, and you built this all by hand, which is nuts.
Let me show you the brakes for this puppy.
This is for the Supra?
Yeah.
Is this literally going to be you going to sponsor me?
APG. These are the rears.
Yeah, the fronts are probably in the bigger box right there. Damn.
Pretty sweet, right?
Those are beautiful. Literally. Those are just the rears. And the fronts are these big ones right here. Sick, dude. Nice. So how much power are you going to make out of this? That's just 1,000.
Just 1,000.
Just 1,000.
Compared to the R8.
Oh yeah. How much power is the R8 making? Nah, don't say it yet. Let's go out there.
600.
Yeah, right. Yeah, shut up.
Mr. Fletcher, how's the R8 treating you lately?
I'm about to go experience it for the first time, a twin turbo Audi R8.
This one feels like TBU?
I'm just gonna roll with it and say yeah, but how much power does this thing make? Do not lie for the camera.
1,100 horsepower.
Is it pump gas or E85?
E85.
So I have to ask you, where do you find an E85 station around here?
Turnpike, there's a Valero in Coral Springs.
How many E85 stations were there back then versus now?
There's a lot less back then.
Really? There's more now?
Yeah.
Can I do a pull?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
1,100 horsepower. Holy I have to censor the living hell out of that part because I was not expecting that. Holy that was insane. That was absolutely insane.
Tuned by Stephen Pearson. Any R8 needs, hit him up. He's
Oh
the
my
best.
god, this is nuts. Alright, we're gonna do a soft second gear pull at 30 miles an hour. Jesus Christ. And that's turning.
Yeah.
Unreal. Little pull,
yeah,
little pull.
Yeah, just watch the road right here.
Yeah, not for sure. All right, so second gear.
Last off.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Spinning. Jesus Christ! Oh my god! That's badass, dude. That's so badass, man. That is so awesome.
It's different being in the passenger seat.
Oh my god.
It feels faster in the passenger seat.
Oh my god, man. I would never get bored of this car. I would never get bored.
Why do you think I've kept it for 3 years?
Oh my god. Dude, I am having too much fun driving your twin turbo R8. I don't want to get rid of it. Now I know why you've never sold this car.
Kyle made me an offer when the camera was off.
I did not make you an offer. How do you not get bored of this?
Do you get bored of this?
How would you? How can you?
Never.
Dude, I could do this all day. So, first time driving twin turbo R8, loads of fun. I don't even know where to begin, but hopefully you guys are enjoying the B-roll footage. So the little break from the B-roll footage while I talk, but I'm parking the car right now. I'll give you guys a little rev. I'm backing it into this unit right here. Alrighty, here, hold on. Alright, so just finished doing photo and video. We're gonna go back to Zane's place and we're gonna go pick up my Prius, my wonderful daily driver, now that the GT4 is gone. And we're gonna do some rolling shots, some rolling videos, do some turbo stuff. But in the meantime, he's gonna probably scare the living crap out of me because now he's driving his own car. So he knows the capabilities of it, where I don't. That's so much fun. That's too much fun, dude. Here we go. That just pins you to your seat. Just every time. Peace and love, bye. Alrighty, so just wrapped that one up. That was a nice little fun Sunday evening with Zane. This awesome 1,000 horsepower Sheepey Race twin turbo Audi R8 on Vossen wheels. I didn't disclose that. Those are Vossen HF5 hybrid forged HF5 wheels in gloss black. So big shout out to Zane. I've known him for a very long time. Long time client and friend of mine. Before this, he had a, as you saw, he had a 981 Sapphire Blue GT4, and then he had a 991.1 Carmine Red GT3, and then he had a GTR, an R35 GTR, and then he sold that, and I think he had one more car. I forgot what it was, but then he got that car, and on my page, it used to be, he actually got the inspiration from Bam Margera, and he actually made it sparkly purple. And then had no rear bumper on it, turbo showing and everything. Got rid of the wrap, put the bumper back on, and now he has it like that. So, big shout out to Zane. Looking forward to it, guys. Wow, I feel like I want to wrap up this video with some more insight because I know you guys really appreciate the little. I just winged it in that moment, you know, just talk about the GT4 and how it impacted myself in the situation I was mentally in my life. And I'm flying out to California next week for about 2 weeks. I'm actually going to Vegas for 4 days for SEMA, and then I'm going to California for 2 weeks after that. So I'm really excited. So that's some news, a little surprise news there. I'm going to be going out there for quite some time. I'm going to be traveling, so I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride for the first time. I know I didn't really integrate that into my channel yet because I was so focused on building the foundation of the channel first, but we're off to a great start. I love showing you guys what I do. So yeah, I'm excited to show you guys the whole Vegas trip, whole California trip, all the cars I'm going to be driving out in California. I already got a bunch lined up for you guys. I'm going to be very blessed to be able to do that. In my current mental state, I have no problem sharing with you guys. I'm just going to keep it real. I'm not going to be fake about it. I'm not going to lie about it. I'm going through a little transitional period in my personal life. Was seeing somebody coming out of that, might still be in it. I don't know, just showing support. They're going through some stuff, some very internal stuff that they're going through, so I'm just showing my support with them. And while they're doing that, I'm gonna be stepping aside to focus on myself. They're going through some really hard times right now, so I'm just gonna keep doing me. And you know, it's hard because me as a person, I love helping others, and I love showing love to others that I care about, and I love helping others that I feel that deserve it because they're good people. So that's just a trait about me that I do with my family and my friends, is that I just love to take care of them. And with the people that I love to take care of them too, and just do the most I can to see them smile and make them happy, because that brings me satisfaction. And I know some may see that that's a really good thing, some may see that's a really bad thing. So that's currently what I'm going through right now, and I just want to share that with you guys. But I'll talk more about the GT4 stuff out in California. I don't know, maybe I might find some hillside to ramble on about that dark point in my life, because I would love to share more about that with you guys, because, you know, coming out of that and just facing accountability and stuff as a man and and focusing on becoming a man it's been a pretty wild ride, but I'm very blessed to be where I'm at now. So I'll share more of that with you guys later. Back to the fun stuff. I really appreciate all the stuff, guys, the messages, the comments, the likes, everything. I'm very blessed to be able to do what I love, and I love showing you guys that. So I'm forever your guys' dad. So until next time, thanks for watching. Later.